If you're a culture lover, then Haiti should be on your radar. Let's dive in. Haiti's culture is a vibrant tapestry woven from African, French, and Taino influences. Ever heard of compa music? It's the rhythmic heartbeat of Haiti, guaranteed to get you dancing. And don't forget about Rara festivals, where the streets explode with color, music, and pure joy. But it's not all about music. Haitian art is world-renowned, from intricate metal sculptures to vivid paintings that tell stories of resilience and pride. Speaking of stories, did you know Haiti is home to some of the most captivating folklore? Tales of spirits and magic that will leave you spellbound. And let's talk about food. Haitian cuisine is a flavor fiesta. Think griot, fried pork served with spicy pickles. Your taste buds will thank you. So whether it's the music, the art, the stories, or the food, Haiti offers a cultural experience like no other. Ready to explore? Discover Haiti's rich culture in just 1 minute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cultural journeys. Ready to experience Haiti